Have you ever wondered how a simple choice can alter the course of one's life? Uh, Picture a young man named Marty McFly, caught between the pull of bravado and the wisdom of his ancestors. Uh, Before we dive into his tale, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. In Back to the Future Part 3, an uneventful drag race sounds harmless, yet it carries the weight of Marty's character journey. As we follow Michael J. Uh, Fox's portrayal of Marty throughout the trilogy, we witness an evolution from a brash teenager to a more conscientious individual. Uh, Initially, Marty is the archetypal rebellious teen, motivating his father to seize control during their time travels. His impulsiveness often overshadows his likability. In part two, while he shows some growth, his motivations for wealth make him an imperfect hero. His inclination towards reckless gambling leaves his mentor, Doc Brown, flabbergasted. Though not fully realized, these moments reveal underlying flaws. With defining moment in Marty's story occurs when he declines a challenge from a troublemaker named Needles in part three. Typically, such a confrontation would ignite his desire to prove himself. Instead, he chooses wisdom over reckless pride. Uh, uh, just as the tension mounts, viewers catch a glimpse of the old Marty, but then he surprises everyone by simply idling at a red light. As Marty engages with his ancestor, Seamus McFly, a painful history emerges. Seamus recounts the tale of his brother Martin, whose fiery temperament led to his tragic end in a bar brawl. This encounter shakes Marty to his core as he sees how closely danger and pride are intertwined in his family's legacy. Uh, Returning to the present, Marty carries Seamus's lesson like a lightning struck revelation. He understands that maintaining a tough reputation is, far less valuable than preserving one's life. This revelation becomes a lifeline as the drag race could have detrimentally spiraled into a series of life-altering events. In a poignant tie to his past, Marty learns how to steer clear of unhealthy provocations, ultimately charting a safer path for himself and his loved ones, and drawing parallels to advice he received from his future self. The wisdom remains consistent throughout the timeline because, and by the end, Marty's growth serves as a reminder that our actions hold significant weight. Uh, if he had raced Needles, it might have propelled him down a dark road entirely. Reflecting on Seamus's tragic tale, he finds clarity in the importance of self-control. As a light-hearted note to consider, when it comes to making tough decisions, just remember, why did the chicken cross the road? To avoid racing with Needles and landing in a world of trouble. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.